Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari reaction. Hey, so I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video. This is to the group Omega X, and this is the music video to the song Vamos. So I'm curious to see what they're gonna be giving me. SBST MTV, SBS MTV. Loco. Ooh, love the pink hair. Okay, I love the different set designs. Oh, I like that blue hair. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh. You better sell sack. Wow. Come on, Omega X. Oh, nice floor performance. Oh, imagine hearing that song live. Oh, I know it's gonna sound so amazing live with the stereo live version. Because usually, like live songs, it sounds so much better than the audio for the music videos. So that was Vamos by the Omega X. I really do like that. I could already tell at the concert this song would sound so amazing live version. It's very cute as always. I really do like the choreo. I really do like a good dance number. I like their fashion sense. 8 scenes, because they switch a lot in scenes like every 2 seconds, but they really look good. Those some beautiful boys. So I want to say thanks to the one who recommended me to do that Omega X Vamos. You know, they gave us a little Latin, you know, Spanish, Hispanic vibes to it. So I really do appreciate it. So for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you. Besides you, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Vamos. Bye.